Hello parents, how you parenting goes on? Do you want your kids to be responsible? Do you want them to take care of their stuff and themselves? Well, every parent wants to. So here I am going to share you my experience how I am going to teach my kids to be responsible. See, first of all, the tips which I am going to share you today is all depend on how your child's age is, how his temperament, and how is his age. Okay, see, if you that's not possible if you say a 3 years old kid that you go and clean your bedroom and and do some other stuff. That's not possible. So it's all depends on the age of the kids. Okay, so I'm going to share you my first tip. So here is my first tip. My first tip is be a role model to them. What you do, how you live, how you react to situation, how react in that situation, how you behave with others. That all affects to your child. What they learn, what you do, they learn from you. So first of all, be role model if you want to teach them anything. So first of all, be role model what you want to teach them. The second things you have to do is to be calm yourself and be patient. See, kids take time to learn anything you want to teach them. They take time, so be with that. Be calm yourself. I know no wonder every parents can be exhausted from their tantrum, from what they did, but you don't have to do that. Engage in household chores. Daily chores are grateful way to teach them how to be responsible for them. Be careful of your child age, temperament before you going to give them their task. So this, keep in mind that if you want to kids to be responsible, so first of all they have to be responsible for their stuff, for themselves, and you can teach this thing by their own. Okay, engage in chores. You can also break down larger chores into smaller chores, into smaller tasks, so that they can do easily way. Now my fourth tip: share your own experience. Teach and show your child how to be organized, how to manage time. So you have to teach them. You can work with them, so that they can feel some a connection. They feel connected to you. They want to do. You can make fun things from that. So this is my fourth tip. My fifth tip is, which is very important, is praise them and encourage them. So whenever they can they do anything with themselves, or anything good or anything well, you can praise them, you can encourage them, so that they have their self-esteem become grow. They have more confident. Yes, I did it. And you can also talk to them if they do something wrong. You can talk to them sometimes, like when you're riding, when you go to the ride, when you are in kitchen, you all work together. That time you can talk with them and tell them, it's okay, but you did that. It's okay, we can do it again, we can do it more good again. So make this kind of connection, so that they can hear, they can think that yes, someone is for me if I do something any wrong. So make this kind of connection with them. Use problem exploration and allow consequences to take their course. If suppose if you tell them that pack your lunch or put your lunchbox in your bag, it's your school time, you're going to late, and they're like, yeah, I will do that, but they don't, they forgot that. So let them go without that on that day with lunchbox in a school. If he or she saw that everybody have lunch but she has not, then she will realize how important is that thing, how I have to responsible with my stuff, everything. And next time she will have to take that lunch with her. So you try to understand what I'm saying. Let them face their consequences, what the problem has been coming up. And so but make sure the problem is not going to harm them. So just think about it. So the consequences should be natural. Face the natural consequences. So my thing is that here this is the most important tips which I'm going to share is to provide structure and routine. This makes them to build up their confidence, to build up their self-esteem. If someday they forgot, that's okay. Be with them, tell them that's fine, but you have to do this. If you don't, your other stuff will harsh. So you can start to teach them time management. So provide them routine and a structure which makes them so confident, and that's how they become responsible. Clean, for example, that routine and structures included clean up after meals. Get your kids into habit of bringing their dishes into sinks. They are the small chores which you have to teach them to do. At least they have to responsible with their stuffs, with take care with themselves. These are the small responsibility which you want to tell them to learn, and these going to develop and strong in them, so they will responsible. But the last thing which I'm going to tell you, to try not too much worry about these things. See, parenting is such a lovely phase, and also sometimes it's we get anxiety as a parent, but try not to too much worry about it, because they are kids. Some kids start have slow learning style, some kids get faster learning style, some has tantrums. So face it, deal with them, try to give your time with them. So this is how you can teach them to be responsible. So what I am doing right now with my kids, and she is starting some small and she is now doing some small household course, at least her. So this is how you can teach your kids to. So this is all about today's video, and if you want more video about parenting, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will happy to share with you guys. So till then, take care, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share with ones which will be very grateful to me. So thank you so much. Happy parenting.